What a disgrace do it turn out to? You know, say our mama man that. You better have got turn tranny. Move your blood clot. Got turn tranny because you love tranny.
Queen, here's the thing, right? In this time right now, so this situation now, let's say in a month from now, him call you and say, let's talk about everything and get back together and start fresh. What you going to do?
No, sir. Them stuff that not gonna happen. Things overgone too far. Remember, me should have take back Dowey, you know. Dowey come back with them bad spell, come put me in a hospital, and you hear the truth come out to him say? Him a wait for when me sick. This is before me sick. Listen to the voice note. You not hear it. Listen to the voice note. Him say, him a wait till when me sick. Him a go lie to and can go say it's when him left himself from America and come mess and come look about me. I kill Dowey come and try kill me.
Do we try kill you?
No, him a try. Listen if the man say. Oh, you not hear the voice note. Him say on the voice note to Cutie. Man Cutie a chat, man a voice note. Cutie record him.
Oh.
Him say. Oh God, I forgot what I gonna say.
Him say him gonna try kill you or him gonna kill you. Try remember.
Him say like him said the way him hate me. I remember if him use the 8 word cause somebody phone me and listen to through my phone. Him say the way him say if she's sick, I get my candle and go in the dark and I go light it for her and make she drop and dead. And Father God, I go make she drop and dead and I go light the candle in the dark. Yeah, me hear it not too long ago. Him can't do me no weapon farm against the cat. For what? Because you want fuck.
Wow.
And let girl this me. If he can't go help you fuck your blood clot, girl, and you want make girl this me and not defend me and me argue. You come talk about tell me why me cocky, your cocky concern me. Your cocky not concern me. You concern me as a husband. Them I must hurt. Me hurt. Me hurt so till me stun blood clot skirt. I splurt, me want splurt, you know. Me I wonder me can go Argentina or Australia, go down and I go hide.
It's getting too much now.
Not for me. At the blood clot, pity them I want shoot Cutie for them over here tell me about if me ever answer, she go throat in the blood clot. What that I go do? Take my life? I want to girl. From a liquor me I watch TV to blood clot. I always say me nah make nobody blackmail me. When me see them blackmail people on TV, me always say for me I talk. Talk where you have about blood clot me. Any alligator where you have up in my pussy, send them out of my blood clot pussy cute. What the fuck you feel like?
Who's gonna throw you out?
Right, you don't understand patois. What you do over here if you don't understand patois? No, right, you. Cutie, the girl where they are England where I tell you about, have one whole heap of things right up over our page, including my ex/fake husband.
Okay.
Say, and you me answer back. She go send out more receipt for me, so that's why I'm receipt for come live.
Receipts. So is there?
Yes. So me I tell her now. So from a little bit and I watch TV, how many people I get blackmail? I prefer be free to blood clot Cutie.
You just rather
free me up.
Okay.
Take go the crocodile out of my blood clot pussy cream. And free me up. Dash out every blood clotting, my dad's me don't afraid and me don't scared. Dash out every mama bumper blood clot. That hunger gonna make me stronger, girl. Bet blood clot me.
Why they must say add Queenie, add Cutie? No, for them cost? No. Too much of cost in I go on.
Cutie no over there, should they are? The idea that you can't come over, them not bad, sir.
Page and Cutie.
No bad, sir.
You can fix it out on the live. Page and Cutie.
Cutie want the little attention and the little worldwide highlight. So try she trouble me. And she see me take it up in hand and around the world. I just that. How fucking dare you come and talk about me dead daughter, about me do threesome. Rachel don't even fuck much as to do threesome. You're fucking out harder. And you're a pin of them where you have your little pin of them and fuck off them one another up there where we suck cocky in the bathroom. And that's what you talk about. Your daughter where them catch a suck cocky and pussy in the bathroom. And them not reach 10 yet. I'm wondering if none of your baby father them not so you get up and class blood clot people. I have been a low blood clot. Me not tell a lie for me pit there. Fucking rude. Don't mind your cutie. Why you think that I gonna make me not come for internet?
Cutie, bring cutie.
She can't come over here. A fool that.
Oh.
She can't go over this to go look hype. She can't come here, sir. You're so rich, but you have all black clothes. You can't use all clothes, blood clot cost me. You hear that? Girl, remember bags and pop-up bags, pan top of bags, me can't come give blood clot you. Sometimes you don't even remember say you owe blood clot me, you have to pay me. How the fuck you think you can come put down? I take side with Dowey. You look like you lick out Dowey battle and suck out the corruption out of Dowey blood clot battle. And mustard coming to understand.
On tag her.
Who a tag her?
No, people tag me. No, know that thing they tag him. So maybe can page in cutie. Tag Queen.
My man do it till him brought me. My rich in spirit. Yeah, I'm rich in spirit. So
So how